To say that Aristotle's Politics is a classic work of political thought is to understate considerably the achievement and significance of this remarkable document. That's what the translator of Aristotle's Politics writes in his introduction, and it's true. It's an amazing book, so rich and nuanced, a foundational text of political science in the West. You'll learn about the nature of political life, and you'll learn something about man as a political animal, and about the man who can't live in society, who's either a beast or a god, somebody that Aristotle mentions from time to time throughout this amazing work. Well, I encourage you to register for the course. I mostly do a walkthrough, not of every single part of the text, but as you can see if you look at the curriculum, a lot of it, using the guidance of a scholar named Thomas Pangle, who has a book called Aristotle's Teaching in the Politics. He's one of Leo Strauss's students, and you know, or you may know, that Strauss is a big influence on this school. But the goal is really to let this text breathe for you, to let it come to life for you, and to let it inform your understanding of what it is to be a human being who lives in a political community. See you on the other side.